I request organizing chairman Dr. Bhedasgaonkar sir, organizing vice chairman Dr. Josna Paranspe madam, organizing secretaries Dr. Rupali and Dr. Aparna, branch office bearers Dr. Ganesh Limay sir and Dr. Sarika Kalloli to come on stage. Okay, now I'll just declare the poster prizes. First prize goes to Dr. Ananya M. from Gulbarga. Is she there? Second prize is a tie between Dr. Pallavi Dalvi and Dr. Manasi Savarkar. Is Dr. Manasi there? Okay. Third prize goes to Dr. Yojana Goyal from Bharati Vidyapeeth. Consolation prizes are Dr. Valideti Gopi Krishna from Bharati Vidyapeeth.
नेहल नवलेचं विशेष कौतुक, कारण तिनं सरिता ठाणेकर रजेवर गेल्यानंतर फायनान्स डिपार्टमेंट खूप छान सांभाळले.
Now I request the secretaries to give the vote of thanks. I request Dr. Paranspe madam to hand over the prize and Dr. Limay sir.
Good evening all. I know all are in a hurry as it's almost 5 o'clock, but I don't take so much time. But without thanking the persons which are behind the stage of the CME is incomplete. I would like to thank first of all Dr. Ashok Deshpande sir, who is the main director and backbone of the CME. I would like to thank Dr. Sachin Kothare sir, who is DC member and who give constant help in all work. I would like to thank our branch president Dr. Limay sir and Sarika ma'am for selecting me and Aparna as a organizing secretary for this CME and showing the confidence and trust on us. I would like to thank Dr. Bhedasgaonkar sir, who is the organizing chairman, for giving us full freedom to put our ideas for this CME. I would like to thank Paranshpe ma'am, vice chairman of this vice chairman of the CME, for providing thorough guidance and for granting all permissions at this Bharati Medical College. I would like to thank special mention Dr. Ruta and Dr. Amruta for very nice management for the poster competitions. My sincere thanks from my bottom of the heart to all our organizing committee members, because without whom it is not possible to conduct this such big event. A big thanks to all our PGs from GMC and Bharati Medical College, mainly the Dr. Pranoti Jyoti for handling all the arrangement on stage, Dr. Snehal for handling all our accounts in the absence of Dr. Sarita Thanekar, Dr. Manasi Savarkar for helping in registration counter, Dr. Anurag, Dr. Ilumalai, Dr. Pallavi Gabbak, and PGs from the Bharati Medical College, Yojna, Upasna, Parth, Email. I would like to thank Mr. Pramod Ghadge for very uninterrupted and best audiovisual support. I would like to thank Mr. Sawan for serving very delicious food. Lakshmi Mandap decorators Mr. Patil for stall arrangement and flex arrangement. Mr. Vivek Shinde from the Akshata Printing Press for flex designing and certificate printing. Mr. Yashang Gokani from E-Platform for our flyer and certificate designing. Mr. Jnanesh Limay, photographer, for capturing each and every moment of Oricon 2022, and thanks for giving such good memories. Now I hand over the dais to my co-secretary Dr. Aparna.
Thank you, Rupali. First of all, I would like to start with thanking Dr. Deshpande sir for putting so much trust in us and believing that we could pull this off. This was our very first attempt at organizing such a big event. Thank you, sir. It was a totally new learning experience, something like that, karmanye vadhikarasthe ma phaleshu kadachana. So we learned many new things from this arrangement of CME. Next, I would like to thank our chairman and co-chairman, Dr. Bedasgaonkar sir and Jyotsna madam, Dr. Limay sir, Dr. Sarika ma'am, my whole organizing team. I would like to really enumerate the names because they have been my backbone support of this organizing this event. Dr. Shivanand Kore, Dr. Rupesh, Dr. Pradeep Patil, they handled the travel accommodation department. Dr. Kiran Joshi sir, Dr. Padmanabh Joshi, Dr. Trupti madam, Dr. Varsha and Dr. Ravi Raj, they handled the registration department. Dr. Mohan Patil sir, Dr. Vadkar sir, Dr. Khade sir and Dr. Shivannavar madam, they handled the food department. Dr. Sachin Kothawale sir, Dr. Vinayak Patil sir and Dr. Ankita Gosavi did a fantastic job with fundraising, because of whom a very grand banquet was possible. So a special mention with the fundraising. Then thank you Tanuja ma'am and Ankita Gosavi madam for wonderful MOC. Thank you Jyotsna madam, Vasudha madam and Dr. Ruta and Amruta for handling the PG section very well. Workshop arrangement especially was a very tedious job, so they did it fantabulously. Then Dr. Dorkar sir for handling the audio-visual department. Then I would also like to mention the volunteers' names. Dr. Parth, Emil, Anil, Yojna, Srihita, Shreyanka, Pranoti, Jyoti and Dr. Snehal. These are all PGs from Bharti as well as GMC. And other departments like food committee and all the names Rupali has already mentioned, I would also like to thank all of them, including the caterer, the flex printing, the e-platform, everyone. And thank you all for attending the CME. Thank you all the delegates. I hope we arrange all these wonderful events more frequently. Thank you very much. Long live ISA.